Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. Today, I wanted to talk about Torchlight Energy Resources. This is ticker symbol TRCH. And as you guys can see up on the screen here, just 5 short trading days ago, this stock was trading at around $3.35. We'll call it low $3. You know, every day it was changing a little bit, going up and down, normally as stocks do. But today, it hit an intraday high of around $6.15. So we're talking about doubling over the course of like 5 days. This stock has been moving absolutely insane. Obviously, from its intraday highs, it did settle a little bit lower. Obviously, you can see right now it's around $5.07. So not at that $6.15 level anymore, but certainly still quite a bit higher and a lot of percentage points higher than it was, again, 5 short days ago. Even yesterday, it was trading like $3.50. Torchlight had an absolutely massive day today, and in this video, we're going to be talking about why, what happened, what's going on, what does this company even do, and what could the future for it potentially look like. Definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I would appreciate it so much. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. With that being said, here we go. So, Torchlight Energy Resources. This article comes from investorplace.com. Find out a little bit about this stock. So Torchlight Energy is an oil and gas exploration and production company based out of Plano, and it has a total of 4 full-time employees. You know, a little bit interesting, maybe a little bit unique, not what we typically see for a $738 million market cap company. The company's main focus is the acquisition and development of highly profitable domestic oil fields. It holds interest in Texas, including the Permian Basin and the Eagle Ford Shale. TRCH currently has projects underway in the Midland Basin, Oro Grande Basin, and the Delaware Basin. Torchlight was founded in October 2007, so they've been around for 14-ish years, a decent amount of time, and it joined the public market in November 2010 after completing its IPO. The company is led by its president, CEO, secretary, and director, John Berta, and he took up this role in December of 2012, so again, another guy that's been in place for a while, going on 9 years. So yeah, that's kind of just what the stock is. That's what's going on. But why did it shoot up today? Why? You know, of all days, this company has had an interesting past where they've kind of been, over the last 5 years, they've been all over the place. But this is kind of uncharted territory for them. You know, they haven't been, you know, since like 2013, they haven't really been seeing these prices. And even back then, 583 is the highest number that comes up on the graph. So the fact that we broke $6 with Torchlight today kind of tells us that something a little bit unique, a little something interesting is probably going on here. So investors look to set fuel the shares of TRCH for a second day as morning trading has shares up 32%. Obviously, we ended up closing today up 41%, and intraday we were up, you know, 60-70% on the day. So when this article was written, it was even, you know, not necessarily the intraday highs even. So stuff got even crazier since this article was written. So as it seems to be the case with many pre-market movers these days, there's fundamental reasons. There's also that social media craze, whether it be Reddit, Twitter, whatever's going on. Torchlight definitely got in some of that kind of jet stream, which is good in the short term for a lot of these stocks. But the question, as always with all these stocks, is it sustainable? Are these prices going to be here tomorrow? Are they going to be here next week, or are things going to kind of come back down to reality? So let's find out what's going on. So Torch did emerge as the 3rd most mentioned name in the stock Twitch chat room yesterday, Bloomberg reported. So obviously a lot of buzz, a lot of hype, and when things are moving this big, people are going to be talking about it. You know, there's the two sides of the coin. It's like, are people talking about it because it's going up, or is it going up because people are talking about it? You never really know, and in the end, it probably ends up being a little bit of both in a lot of the cases. So stoking some of the chat is a merger announcement that happened on June 11th, so this was 4 days ago. This was not nothing new that just happened today or anything like that, but a merger regarding Torchlight and MMATF, Metamaterial, which makes Advanced Materials. Torchlight announced Friday that its shareholders have approved the deal, and under the terms, Metamaterial is going to own 75% of the combined company, while Torchlight shareholders are going to get 25%. So kind of a big deal there, you know, something that could have a big effect on the stock price. And meanwhile, on the fundamental side, Torchlight yesterday, so this could have a more immediate impact of what we're actually seeing on the stock price as far as today goes, declared, and this is the big news, a special dividend of Series A preferred stock to be issued on a 1-for-1 basis to common stockholders on June 24th. The company also said it expects the metamaterial transaction to close before the end of the month. So a lot of big news came out yesterday, and again, special dividends are something that's always going to have a short-term effect on that price, because that is something unexpected. expected, that people weren't ready for, and that's just going to be, money that's going to be given out. And in the short term, yeah, that can make a stock, kind of explode. I think we saw with Rocket Mortgage not too long ago when they announced a special dividend, that in the short term, their company kind of went up. But if you look at Rocket Mortgage, I haven't looked at that graph in a couple of days, I don't think, but if I do recall, they kind of shot up and then came right back down after the special dividend played out and it was distributed and everything. So this could be a short-term catalyst. This could try to be, a play that people try and make some money on. It could be a lot of good news, but does a special dividend really change anything as far as the company's fundamentals for the long term? Not really. It's just kind of a one-off type of event. It shouldn't really mean too much. The merger obviously could be a little bit more of a bigger deal longer term. Special dividend, not really something I'm too concerned about. Honestly, something where I want to make sure I'm not overpaying for that company in the short term, especially with something under $1 billion market cap, something as volatile as a Torch is going to be. But this is definitely one of the big reasons why Torchlight Energy Resources had such a big day today. And again, it could have a big rest of the week. We're going to see that special dividend on June 24th, so there's still time between now and then, but that's kind of what was playing into it today. That's what's getting people hyped up and excited, and again, that doesn't necessarily change anything about this company for the long term. So definitely make sure you do as much research as possible about Torchlight. Definitely don't, get caught into this dividend craze or anything like that. But yeah, that's what's going on. That's why this stock jumped up so much. And yeah, pretty much it for this video today, guys. Again, definitely no financial advice, nothing like that. Just letting you guys know what's going on in the stock market world, letting you know about these companies, why they're moving, how they're moving, and what maybe I'm thinking about them for the future. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about TRCH? Are you interested? Are you going to be buying in, or are you staying away? I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace!